This report is brought to you by EdmontonMortgagePro.com. Today we're going to be talking about the 10 mistakes potential homeowners make and how they can affect your mortgage. Now, wouldn't it be great if everything in life came with a checklist? Unfortunately, for most of us, we have to learn life's lessons the hard way by experiencing them. Fortunately for home buyers, there are some rules of the game that are well known and can help you avoid major pitfalls when buying a home or refinancing your mortgage. Let's take a look at the 10 mistakes that can have a detrimental effect on your mortgage so you can prepare yourself now to get the best terms possible on your next mortgage. The first mistake people make is shopping around at banks and financial institutions. Too many people go to their local bank or other financial institutions for their mortgage and never contact a mortgage broker. What people don't realize is that a mortgage broker can often beat the rates the banks post because of the volume of business that they do. You see, a mortgage broker has so many clients and they do so much business that they can often beat the bank's rates. And not only that, but if you're working with a very good mortgage broker, they can get an even further lower rate that's posted than the banks can, and possibly than other mortgage brokers, because they're rewarded for such good customer service and taking care of their clients. Also, each and every time you visit a different banking institution, they pull your credit report, which is not good for your credit score. While a mortgage broker only has to do this once and then can shop all those different financial institutions for you. The second mistake people make is using the mortgage broker the realtor recommends. Sure, the realtor is the sweetest person you ever met and tells you not to worry because her friend over at ABC Mortgage will take care of you. What she isn't telling you is that she is getting a kickback for recommending them. See, more often than not, realtors have one goal in mind: to earn commission on the sale. You often get much better deals by shopping around yourself and saying no thanks to the recommendation. Ask family, friends, and coworkers who they recommend. The third mistake people make is buying too much house. How many square feet do you need and how much can you afford? Don't get yourself into a situation where you have too much house that you can't afford over your lifetime. Remember, it's not just the monthly payments you have to worry about. You also need to think about property taxes, insurance, heating, cooling costs, and regular maintenance. The fourth mistake people make is getting into the wrong mortgage. A quick scan of the newspapers will show you that a lot of people have gotten into the wrong mortgage. Make sure you know the differences between fixed and adjustable rate mortgages, and seek the help of a trusted third party to help you make the right decision. Now, your mortgage broker should be able to answer these questions. Be sure to review the prepayment penalties as well. Why should you be penalized for paying off your loan ahead of time? The fifth mistake people make is with their credit. This one you probably already know about, but it's worth repeating again and again. Clean up your credit and don't make any big purchases right before you go to take out a mortgage. Save the new car purchase or flat screen TV purchase until you have signed the loan paperwork. Unless you're paying for that new car with cash, of course. The sixth mistake people make is borrowing too much. This goes hand in hand with number 3. Don't anticipate future earnings and buying a house you simply cannot afford. Purchase a house you can afford now, even if it may not be your dream house. In a few years, if you are earning more, you can look into buying a bigger house. Start small and work your way up so that you know you can afford your mortgage and not get yourself into financial trouble down the road. Seventh mistake people make is missing out on programs for first-time homeowners. Many first-time homeowners don't take advantage of the various programs and discounts available to them. You can check into local, provincial, and federal programs that can help reduce your interest rate and potentially negotiate better terms. One great resource is the Canadian Mortgage Housing Corporation website. Your Edmonton mortgage broker will also be able to answer these questions and point you in the right direction. The eighth mistake people make is inaccurate information, or garbage in, garbage out. Don't try and fool the lender, it just isn't worth it. Make sure you have supporting documentation for everything you put down on the mortgage application. Furthermore, never sign a mortgage document in which the lender hasn't completely filled out all the fields. Insist on honesty on both sides of the desk. Number 9, not locking in the rate. Rates can change in the blink of an eye. Get your rate locked in and don't wait around until the last moment. Get your rate in writing with the complete terms spelled out from your mortgage lender when you lock it in. The 10th mistake people make is not considering the other charges in your mortgage. Sure, you've got a great rate on your mortgage, but did you carefully read about the other charges the lender has stuck in? Rates are important, but make sure you understand the full cost of your loan. Read and question all the charges listed. Sure, you might have to pay 0.25% more by going somewhere else, but after you add up all the fees, you may find that by going to a lender with a slightly higher rate can actually save you money. Now, for more tips and insights about mortgages and getting the best mortgage for you, visit www.edmontonmortgagepro.com to download your free report, The Insider Secrets to Protecting Your Finances and Getting a Money-Saving Mortgage, even if you have bad credit. Thanks for watching.